What's up guys, it's Liam here from TechFed, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Panasonic Lumix FZ330, or the 300 if you're from America. It's my brand new camera which hopefully is going to replace my current one, which is my phone, the Honor 8 Pro. I'll post a link down below so you can see a review of it. Right, let's see what's in the box. Right, here's the box. Now, the camera shoots in 4K with a 12 megapixel camera. As this is a bridge camera, the sensor is a little bit smaller, but it should be okay for what I'm doing. The camera has lots of features, from Wi-Fi to this clever little feature here, which allows you to adjust the focus from the picture that you've taken. So if you want to just focus on one thing and blur out the background, you can do it on the camera itself. Anyway, let's get inside. So opening the box, we're first greeted with the instruction manuals, all the boring stuff really, a DVD of some sort. I'll take a look at that later. Famous last words. Here now we are greeted with the optional accessories, because this camera does have a hot shoe on top, so you can buy things like a shotgun mic, another flash, shutter speeds, yeah. Anyway, we'll actually skip ahead to see what we've got. So here's the camera. I'll take that out first, if I can get it out. We'll come back to that. And then we have the accessories. So here's the battery charger block, and then the battery. You also get the lens cover and something else. Get a nice strap, a USB to, I believe that's HDMI, but don't take my word for it, can't really see it. And then you get the plug. Right, we move the box out of the way, and then we'll take a look at the camera. So my first impression of the camera is really nice. It's a little bit heavy, but I kind of like that. Like I said, it's got the shoe on top. It's also got a flip out screen, and so when I'm filming I can actually see what I'm doing, because currently I can't. It's got lots of features on top. Nice big lens, zoom there, and you've got zoom by there. Right, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna charge up the battery and then I'll come back and see what the camera is like and what my first impressions are. So I've been playing with this camera now for a while. I've had it on charge, and I must admit there's so many features on the camera that I don't know about. Photography isn't my thing, but I'm trying to get into it. Ever since I had the Honor 8 Pro, photography for me, it has been growing and growing. So the main reason I got this camera was for filming, but having a little play, it's quite user friendly. There were a few things I had to look up online, but there's plenty of videos out there explaining everything about this camera. So this is my first impression of it, and overall it's good. Hopefully now in my later videos everything is going to look a lot better, but only time will tell. I've been Liam from TechFed, and this was the Panasonic Lumix FZ330.